Okay, this is the way to wash your face, wash your face, wash your face. This is the way to wash your face early in the morning. This is the way to comb your hair, comb your hair, comb your hair. This is the way to comb your hair early in the morning. Yeah, clap your hand to mommy. Clap your hand to mommy. Okay, step on. We start our class again. What letter do we learn yesterday? What letter? What letter? What letter? Yeah, letter K. K. We already learned, right? K. K kangaroo. K key. K kite. You throw mommy flat away again. Okay, today mommy have one more new letter. After letter K is letter, is letter, is letter. After K is letter, letter. After letter K is letter. Letter L. Can you say it? L. Look at mommy mouth. L. L. Yes, this is letter L. Stephen, look at here. Stephen, please look at here. L. L. The sound of letter L is. Letter L has leaf. Oh, sorry, the winds blow my plaza. Leaf. Can you say it? L for leaf. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for leaf. Do you know leaf? Leaf is on the tree. Leaf. One more. Tan, 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 tan. Ladybird. 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 Can you say it? Ladybird. Can you say it, baby? L for ladybird. L for ladybird. L for ladybird. One more E. Tick, 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 tick. Lock. 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 Carl's boot. Lock. Lock. Can you say it? L for lock. L for lock. One more last E. Lion. The kings of animals live in the jungle. It is lion. Can you say it? Lion. Roar. The sound of lion say roar. Can you say it? L for lion. L for leaf. L for ladybird. L for lock. L for lock. L for leaf. L for lion. L for ladybird. This is lion, baby. This is lion, baby. This is ladybug, baby. Lion, ladybug, lion, ladybug, lion, ladybug, lion, ladybug, lion, ladybug. Which one is lion? Roar! Lion. Which one is lion? Can you choose it? Lion. Lion. Which one is lion? Roar! Good job. That is the king of. And the answer before. Always throw my things away. Ladybird. Ladybird. Good job, ladybird. Ladybird. This is lion, right? Right. Right. Okay. L for lion. L for leaf. L for ladybird. L for log. Okay. Today, mommy teach you about letter L, right? Letter L, right? Letter L, right? Oh, I have one more. Where is letter K? I miss it because Cinnamon throw it away. Okay, mommy will let you choose which letter do we learn today. This is L. We learn today L for lion, L for leaf, L for log, and L for ladybird. Which one is letter L? L. Good job. You can say the letter L. How you say it again? L. Satipong. L. Good job. Look at mommy. I clap my hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Good job. High five. This hand. Not yet. Bye bye. You want to say bye bye? Good job. Hey, mommy and daddy, thank you so much for your watch. I hope you love my video. If you are new, please don't forget now subscribe for the next video. Ding ding. Thank you.